Hi, this is Kat from WTI, and I wanted to share with you the beautiful MacBook Pro laptop today. So here is the beautiful laptop. It's really small and light. When you close it, it's super thin, and it works really fast. Another feature I really like is the bar at the top. For example, if I type in love, it'll show me emojis and different things there. And I just tap on it and it changes it up there. That is such a cool feature. You can also easily change the volume button there and other things like that. So again, this just works super fast and easy. It's super light, so I love traveling with it. And that's my point of view.